Welcome to your daily dose of Carolina bays. The term ghost bays was used by geologist William Prouty to describe Carolina bays that are in the process of disappearing by water erosion. The presence of ghost bays is suggested by a curved outline of white sand surrounding a region of darker soil. The use of LiDAR reveals the slight differences in elevation between the center of the ghost bays and the rims. Usually the rims are less than 1 meter higher than the centers of the basins. This Google Street View image from April 2013 shows the dark soil in the center of the ghost bay and the white sandy rim. The Street View from February 2025 shows an empty field, but the dark soil in the center of the ghost bay cannot be seen. 12 years of tilling the field for crops have changed the characteristics of the surface of the terrain, but LiDAR is still able to detect the slight changes in elevation between the centers and the rims of the bays. The next episode has a surprise.